Hello. So we drove in last night, but it was really late and we were kind of fighting daylight, so we didn't have I didn't have the opportunity to set up the camera and take any video of the drive-in. There's some pretty cool spots that we passed, but we're gonna do all that today. Do some off-roading, do some exploring. We're up in the hills in up by Wilkeson. It's just kind of a good spot to come. We always come up here. So, but I wanted to show you the campsite. Got our fire, got our massive tent. Truck's right here, getting some breakfast going. Best part is this view. There's a lake down there that we're gonna hike to. Yeah, the hike to the lake is the first thing we're doing. But first, gotta get some breakfast. Some corned beef hash and eggs. Pretty standard Jenkins camping meal. Looking delicious. So we started the hike to try and get to Cedar Lake, which is over that direction somewhere. But we're in Celery Meadow right now, which is a cool little clearing. But I don't know if there's a path to get to Cedar Lake, so we're still trying to figure that out. It should be that way though. So I've been super bad at updating this video, so that's what I'm doing right now. So we tried to get to Cedar Lake, but we couldn't do it from the hike that we were trying to do.
Swamps, man.
Yeah, it was just straight swamp. And then we started to run into some poop and some tracks that we didn't really want to. They were old, but at the same time, we just kind of didn't want to risk it. So I'm gonna pull up Gaia and show you kind of what we're up to. Anyways, this was the track up to our Cedar Lake lookout. Right there. So it was a track. Right now I think we're gonna go, there's like some hills down over here. We're looking for this waypoint right here. And there's a little river, and we think there might be a lake in that area. Kind of a small, it's probably more of a swamp than anything. But that's kind of where we're headed. But we doing the lunch thing right now first.
Speaking of,
because we're both hungry.
Huzzah!
Oh, thank you, good sir. Delicious. This was the hill that my two-wheel drive truck wasn't able to do. So I'm about to do it in the four-wheel drive. Should be cake. There's this little mud spot that we want to, I think the truck can do it, but this will be like the biggest test so far of the truck. So we're gonna walk it right now to see kind of how bad it gets. So far nothing too crazy.
That stump sucks though. Somebody scraped it.
Yeah, but I think
We're high enough.
yeah, I was gonna say I have enough clearance. Yeah, that's fine. So this is probably the trickiest part. I think come wide and then cut in.
Yeah.
Because I don't think this gets deep. Yeah, there's nothing bad about that. And then this,
Just watch out for that knuckle there.
But even then, I think I have enough clearance.
Even then, you can just go over it this way.
Right.
And not even hit that.
Yeah. You'll have to spot me for sure.
Yeah. You're gonna go right over it. In the back, you're going right over it.
Oh, Cumbia crazy boy. Yeah, hello. Hello, Charlie. What's up, man? So I forgot to close out the video while we were out there. The trip didn't really end as we had planned. We really wanted to get down to Cedar Lake, which we weren't able to do. We were trying to do some more off-roading, but we couldn't really find really good spots. And then there were some spots going up to the lookout on Cedar Lake that I wanted to get on video, but we were in a rush to get down and try and get actually to the lake itself that I forgot to circle around and do that. I was super impressed with the truck. We didn't end up really finding anything that was too difficult, but all the same, it was so nice to have four-wheel drive and that peace of mind. I put it in four-wheel low a couple times, mostly just for the gear reduction going downhill, and that was really handy. Four-wheel high though took care of all the obstacles that we needed to get over, no problem. So anyways, if you like this type of poorly planned, poorly executed video, like and subscribe and do all that. I feel like I typically do better than this, but I was with my brother and my focus was not on filming a video. I was more so just trying to have fun and capture what I could when I remembered. So, but like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with the truck. Hopefully more camping, eventually mods to the truck. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.